Ugh, I give up. This is impossible. What's going on, Lily? You sound stressed. It's this English textbook. It's way too hard. Let me see. Oh, wow. You're buried in grammar rules. Yeah, phrasal verbs, tenses, sounds. It's total chaos in my head. I get it. English can be super tricky. I want to speak well, but I feel like I'm not getting anywhere. It's not the language. It's the method. Method? What do you mean? Forget the textbook for a second. You need to hear how real people actually speak. Real people? Like us? Exactly. Watch everyday conversations in videos, TV shows, anything real. But what about grammar? Won't I forget the rules? Trust me, you'll absorb sentence structures naturally. Your brain learns them without stressing. Wow, maybe I've been overthinking everything. Stop stressing and start listening. Seriously. Okay, but do you know any good channels or videos for that? Absolutely. There's a short video course online. It's perfect. Wow, perfect? Just watch a little every day. No pressure. That sounds way easier than struggling with this heavy book. Yep, and don't just watch. Repeat the words out loud. Your brain remembers what your mouth says. Okay, I'll give it a try. That's the spirit. Come on, let's watch the first lesson together. Should I note down key points? No, just relax, listen, and enjoy. Practice makes perfect. Thank you, Elena. You're the best teacher ever. Anytime, girl. Let's get your English sound amazing.
Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Good afternoon. I've got a small problem.
Oh, what is the issue?
I've been walking around all day, and my phone battery is completely dead.
Ah, I understand. You need to charge it.
Yes, exactly.
No worries. There's a power outlet right over there by the table.
Really? Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Feel free to sit and charge your phone.
Thanks. I'd also like to buy something.
Of course. Are you looking for something specific?
My brother loves Chicago. Maybe a Chicago skyline crystal block?
Yes, we have some beautiful ones. Take a look here.
Oh, this one with the skyline etched inside looks amazing.
That one is very popular.
How much is it?
It's $5.
Perfect. I'll take it. And I'd like a postcard too.
The postcards are right here.
I'll take this one of Navy Pier.
Great. So that's a crystal block and a postcard. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thanks again for letting me charge my phone.
No problem at all. Happy to help.
Here's $10.
Hi there. What brings you in today?
Doctor, I'm not feeling well at all. I feel really under the weather.
Sorry to hear that. Can you tell me exactly what's going on?
I've got a terrible cough, and my throat is really sore.
How long have you been feeling like this?
Since yesterday, but today
I feel even worse. Do you feel you have a fever?
Yes, I feel really hot.
Let me check. Okay, your temperature is a little high. Let me listen to your breathing. All right.
Is it serious?
No, nothing to worry about. It's just a bad cold. Very common. Nothing dangerous. Okay, what should I do then? Make sure you get plenty of rest. Drink lots of water and some hot tea to soothe your throat. I can do that. I'll also give you some medicine to help with the fever. If you follow this, you should start feeling better in 2 to 3 days. Thank you so much, doctor. You're very welcome. Take care of yourself. What can I get for you?
Good morning. I'd like a coffee, please.
Sure. Do you want a drip coffee, an espresso, or a latte?
Just a regular coffee, black, please.
Got it. So our drip coffee then. What size would you like?
Medium, please.
Would you like any room for milk or sugar?
No, thanks. Just black.
Okay. 1 medium black coffee. Will that be for here or to go?
To go, please. I'll be walking around a lot today.
Are you visiting Seattle?
Yes, it's my first day here.
By the way, welcome. Where are you from?
I'm from Japan.
I'm from Seattle, born and raised.
Oh, wonderful. Your city is beautiful, though a bit rainy.
Yes, we do get a lot of rain. That's why everyone loves our coffee.
Yes, your coffee is really good.
Thank you. Are you planning to see the sights while you're here?
Yes, I want to check out Pike Place Market and maybe the Space Needle?
Excellent choices. Don't miss the original Starbucks at Pike Place. It's famous worldwide.
Thanks. That's great.
Here's your coffee. That'll be $3.
Thanks so much.
Enjoy your day exploring Seattle.
Will do. Goodbye.
Excuse me. Hi there.
Hello. How can I help you today?
I found this jacket and I love the color.
Oh, that's a beautiful jacket. It's one of our most popular items this season.
Yes, but there is a little problem.
What's wrong?
This one is a size large and it's way too big for me.
I get it. Would you like a medium or a small instead?
A medium would be perfect.
Great. Let me check in the back for you. I'm really sorry. We sold our last medium this morning.
Oh no, that's disappointing.
I know, it's been flying off the shelves. But let me check other locations on my computer. Good news. Our branch at the downtown mall has 1 medium left. Is that far from here? Not at all. About 10 minutes by bus.
That's perfect.
If you want, I can call them and ask them to hold it under your name.
Yes, please. Thank you so much. You're a lifesaver. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your new jacket.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.